The Piston price pillow has been implemented. The Treasury bills have launched. And I'm giving away 100 Piston tokens. Like, can it get any better than that? Don't think so. We're back on top. Welcome back, my fellow Piston Racers. Man, can you believe it? It's finally freaking here. The Piston price pillow. Let's get this crypto. And man, let me tell you, it's a beautiful sight to behold. So, they implemented their Piston price pillow, which is their own unique LMS system. And what's so cool about this one is that it is dynamic, meaning if there are enough buys coming in, the price can increase, and if it does, the LMS system sets a new price floor, which is very cool. I don't think any other LMS system got this feature built in. So yeah, you already know, the Piston guys just keeps on innovating. Let's get this crypto. Piston also just recently launched their Treasury bills on apeswap. So how these Treasury bills works is Treasury bills allows users to access tokens at a discount in exchange for their liquidity provider tokens. Each Treasury bill is a unique NFT that represents the contract and its respective reward tokens, which vest over a certain amount of time. Let's get this crypto. So basically, to purchase these Treasury bills, you first have to come to the Piston website, click on trade, select liquidity, add liquidity, and from here you simply just pair up your Piston tokens with your BUSD. Click on add liquidity. When you have paired up your Piston and BUSD tokens to create your liquidity provider tokens, you simply just head over back to apeswap, scroll down until you find the Piston BUSD pair, and you buy your Treasury bills. And as we can see right now, they're at a 10% discount. Hey, that's pretty good. Man, it really puts a smile on my face seeing Piston sustain this price. We have been living with this goddamn price reduction for way too long. So, yeah, so this was supposed to be an airdrop video. But before I jump into the airdrop, you already know, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of these future passive income projects that I'm going into. While you're at it, you could like the video, leave me a comment. I want to see some hype in the comment section. Let them know what this community is all about, and check out my Telegram group. Also, check out my website. We got exclusive merch and links to all of the projects that I'm invested in and much more. And we're back to the Piston race. Piston race. Piston race. So, if you don't know what the Piston race is, this is a ROI app letting you earn 1% daily passive income until 365% of your investment is reached. So you can compound your initial investment up to 5x, and when you have maxed out your gas tank, aka reached your 5x compounding limit, you will have to start using this little button over here, the 5x boost. This will automatically withdraw and reinvest your tokens, reducing your gas tank meter, making it so that you can keep on compounding. Let's get this crypto. Okay, before I jump into the airdrop, I just quickly want to mention that I am going to give away 100 Piston tokens. That's right, you heard me. 100 Piston tokens with a value of $200. And all you need to do to participate in this giveaway is click the link in the description box down below that says Piston Token Giveaway. It will redirect you to this website, and all you need to do right here is just simply write your name and email, and then you click enter. After that, you're basically good to go. As you can see, congratulations, you're in. Hey, let's get this crypto. But if you want extra entries, you can follow all of these steps. So share on Twitter, share on Facebook, share on Messenger, so on and so forth. I will be announcing the winner on Sunday, November 13th in my Telegram group. Yahoo! Okay, for the airdrop I will be giving away 30 tokens on the casino, 3 rounds, 10 tokens per round. Let's get it started. Congratulations to all of the winners, you deserve it. So, as you can see, man is airdropping like a freaking carpet bomber. Who else is airdropping this amount of tokens with not even 2000 piston tokens deposited in the race? No one is. Only Holger. Let's get this crypto. Yep, so I will be airdropping the remaining tokens via a normal airdrop, so let's set that up and I'll see you after I'm done. Just got done airdropping and as you can see I got one fail, so if you didn't receive your airdrop, hit me up and I will get you compensated. Yeah, so I feel very bullish about Piston right now, you know. There really isn't many ROI dApps that has been able to survive during this crazy bear market. It's literally only like Piston, Drip and Furio that is left. And with Piston now implementing their own LMS system, their Treasury bills, the ROI booster that is releasing. And yeah, don't forget about the game that is launching in April 2023. That will be absolutely insane. Can't wait to hop on there and race against all of you guys. I'm coming to take your tokens. And yeah, goddamn, I almost forgot. We also got the NFT marketplace. That is going to be sick. You know, you can customize your car like in Need for Speed or something, and then you can test race it on the test track. Like, we got so many things coming out. How can people still be sleeping on this project? How? Like, we already got the foundation set for like a massive pamp it up. I just feel like we need a itty bitty small bit of FOMO and price could absolutely explode. But what do I know? I'm just a silly little DeFi YouTuber. So you should not listen to me because you should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, check out my Telegram group, sign up for the giveaway. 100 Piston tokens being given away this Sunday, November 13th. But most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.